Hello, you guys. I made this is empty, so I'm showing you what I have. I made me some cranberry water. I soaked the cranberries. They're the dried cranberries. Let me show you how they look. You see? These are the dried cranberries. And here they are right here. Because drink and eat a little bit healthier. And so I put in the refrigerator, I put some of these in the dry cranberries, and I let them soak approximately around, I would say I let them soak for around, almost around a good day in the refrigerator. And they got real soft and so I didn't put them in there. Now let me show you the juice. Doesn't that look good? So really, instead of cranberry juice, this is cranberry water. Mm. And the cranberries are then so soft and plump and juicy. Can you see that? And these are the but it only works good if you have dried cranberries. And this is healthy. And also, as you drink the cranberries in the water, it fills you up. And I take, because I go to my program now, and I put some in here. See, this is my on the go bottle. So I put some of the cranberry water in here, and I put it in the freezer, let it get real cold, and I take it with me. This is cranberry water. You soak the cranberries for about a day in the refrigerator. Then you add water and some. It's even the color of cranberry juice, but it's cranberry water, not cranberry juice. Refreshing.